Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Navigating homelessness is incredibly tough, and finding a way to earn money can feel truly overwhelming. But please know, there are practical steps you can take to create income streams. This guide aims to share respectful and safe strategies, focusing on both immediate needs and longer-term stability. Every small step forward truly makes a difference in improving your situation, and there is always hope for a better tomorrow. Sometimes the quickest way to earn a few dollars is through simple, immediate tasks. Collecting aluminum cans or plastic bottles for recycling can provide a surprising amount of cash over time. You might also find opportunities to help people with errands, like carrying their groceries or assisting with small jobs for a little bit of money. Be sure to prioritize your safety and always choose interactions that feel comfortable and secure. Beyond immediate tasks, consider tapping into day labor opportunities that pop up, sometimes at designated hiring spots or community support centers. Many shelters and local nonprofits have specific programs designed to help individuals find work and connect with employers. If you have a particular skill, perhaps playing an instrument or creating art, sharing your talent can also be a dignified way to receive donations from the public. Always inquire about local resources. While immediate needs are important, thinking about building towards longer-term stability is also key. Try to save even small amounts of money when you can, as this can create a foundation for future steps like getting an ID or securing housing. Many nonprofit organizations offer excellent job search assistance, including resume help and interview practice. Also, explore any government benefits you might qualify for, as these can provide a crucial temporary safety net while you work towards self-sufficiency. Remember, finding your way out of homelessness is a journey, and you absolutely do not have to do it alone. There are so many compassionate organizations and people dedicated to helping. Reach out to local shelters, food banks, and social services. They can provide invaluable guidance, connect you with resources, and offer a safe place to plan your next steps. Every effort you make, big or small, truly contributes to building a brighter and more stable future for yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.